Welcome again to Behind the Scenes, and this year, 2020, we're at our first show at OPEX, Florida, Orlando, and we are super excited because we're kicking off the show, and I have a special guest. PD Singh is here to talk at the show, but also more important for me, and I think the people all out there, is talk about all the things we announced in the last few months. I mean, Forward happened in October. We kind of went to holiday a little bit, and the holidays happened for a lot of people. Now we're back in 2020. We got a lot to say.
Yep, we have a lot to say. You're right about that. If you saw all the announcements at Forward, we finally became a platform company. Right? We used to have 3 product lines: the studio, the orchestrator, and the robots. And the problem was most of our customers who are engaging with us and deploying these robots at scale need a full-fledged end-to-end platform to be able to plan things properly, to manage these things properly, to measure their impact properly. And that's where we came up with this whole platform and all the different product lines that are in that platform. So now we've divided the automation journey into different stages.
Okay.
The ones that we'll talk about in this conference, and you'll hear us talk about it over and over again, which starts from the planning phase and goes all the way up to the measurement phase. And so we have now dedicated product lines addressing each one of those phases. Earlier, if you had to deploy anything at that scale with that level of visibility and impact, you have to kludge together a bunch of solutions. And as a matter of fact, that's the case with most of our competitors too. Right now, we are the only RPA company which has this end-to-end tool set, and nobody else has it.
And it has been some big announcements. We made a few acquisitions to develop this platform, which is always usually. Walk us through a few of those announcements or acquisitions that we did to make that. And then also, your team has rocked it. Tell a little bit about what you guys actually produced in the last 9 months. Because we were at OPEX a year ago, we had three product lines. We're coming back a year later with a whole platform. I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah, so in total we had about 11 releases in October, which is quite a lot for even a small-sized team that we have. I worked in large companies like Microsoft. Even companies like that, it's really, really hard to pull off a release calendar with the amount of releases that we had. So acquisitions are just a part of it, right? At the end of the day, when we were developing these products, it was a no holds barred kind of a thing where we were like, if we need to acquire something, let's acquire it. If we need to partner with somebody, let's partner. If we need to build somebody, let's just do it. So it was an all-out effort. It was not just a bunch of engineers working really hard on this stuff, but the business guys, the corporate development, sales, everyone was working in unison with each other, and it was amazing to see all of the things coming together.
Definitely a fantastic teamwork effort to make this thing happen and go out there. And thank you to all of our engineers at UiPath. This video is saying thanks because we really appreciate what you guys have done. And now we've got 2020, right? So we're here. What do we look like now? What's our goal for this year from a product perspective?
So from a product perspective, we're going to just keep expanding and making these product lines that we announce better, right? And now the name of the game for the whole year is going to be to make sure our customers understand the message. Why we built what we built. How does the platform work? Make it really, really understandable for our customers to be able to use all this stuff, to be able to deploy this stuff and get the value out of it. And so it's all going to be about quantifying that value for our customers, making sure that they understand that value, and that's going to be the biggest push for 2020.
Fantastic. A lot of scale going on. A lot more robots being implemented. A lot of process mining, of course, insights, and some great applications that we're going. So I'm very excited. Thank you for coming down. I'm sure the keynote's going to go great. So we'll get that captured also. And we'll be talking to you throughout the year. So anyone out there, again, if you haven't heard about our end-to-end automation platform and all of the product lines, please visit our website. We have webinars available right now, which we'll put in the link on this video, where you can go and actually look at the products today. And we hope you become a customer, and we'll do a lot of great things in 2020. So thanks, and off we go.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Very cool.
Have a good one. Thanks, everyone.